It's Scarecrow's new toxin. We need that antidote. I need to save her. Time to bring in the car. What took you?
She's fading. We gotta go. I'll get my car.
Stay here for now. I'm going to use mine.
Yours. I gotta get me one of those.
Stay calm. You've been poisoned.
I'm on him.
The Batmobile is faster and more mobile. I'm ready for them. Hold tight. It's okay. I'm running out of time. I need to get the car into the tunnel. Let's see. I need to find a way through this mess. Activate the Batmobile vehicle tracker diagnostics. That takes care of the vehicles.
Well, what have we here?
Obviously very dangerous. Police now moving off to the side here to weave in and out of traffic here.
Excellent. The show's about to begin.
Scenes where there's a police chase of any kind.
I need to be quiet. Move slowly.
Arrow on the ground. I lost them. We've lost visual.
Got them.
Exit 9's blocked. We'll loop back to check.
Subtlety works. Every time. How are you holding up?